finished. That's all I'm going to do. I did the A. I put it up there. It's perpendicular. And that should be suffice. I made the window for the winch to go through, cable. Winch cable to go through. And that should do it. I may have a few more things like a little pulley system. Go through channel to there. But I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. But I am going to be seeing a trailer at the ends. Right there. I seen a trailer with 2 metal rods up. So he could see the end of his trailer. So that's what I'm going to do. Get some round rods, weld them on there, make them straight, perpendicular, and that should be it. Well, and there's my jack stand. That's what I'm going to use. Simple. Back up to it, I can lift it. It's a little heavy, but I can lift it. And put it on the tongue. On the trailer hitch of the truck when I have it on. And these are about, I priced these about 35 to 40 bucks, but this is a little war, but it still works. It still works. And I noticed on my license plate in the back, but you know, people have been going around taking up stickers. And on mine, gouge. Someone's going to try to take the sticker off. And to cool off, I went to pull, cleaned it, and had a little dip. 24. A little cool, but it was good. It felt good to get in there for a while. Oop, we got bugs flying around. Anyway, peace.